Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen 2K26. First, let's get you set up. You'll want to download and install the application, which typically takes less than 5 minutes. Once installed, create your user account and follow the simple 3-step setup wizard. This initial process ensures your workspace is tailored to your needs, allowing you to quickly navigate the main dashboard and begin your tasks efficiently. It's designed to be intuitive for everyone. Now, let's dive into Zen 2K26's core features, designed to boost your productivity. You can easily create new projects and tasks, setting precise deadlines to keep everything on schedule. Assigning team members is straightforward, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. The integrated status indicators provide real-time updates, allowing you to monitor progress at a glance. Plus, comprehensive reports offer valuable insights into your team's performance, helping you make informed decisions. Ready to take your Zen 2K26 experience to the next level? Explore the advanced customization options. You can personalize your dashboard with custom widgets, choosing from over 10 different types, and select from 5 unique themes to match your style. Zen 2K26 seamlessly integrates with more than 20 popular third-party applications, enhancing your workflow. Furthermore, setting up automated workflows for repetitive tasks can save you hours each week, making your work smarter, not harder. To maximize your efficiency with Zen 2K26, adopt these best practices. Regularly review your project timelines, perhaps once every 2 days, and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Clear communication is key, so utilize the built-in messaging feature to keep your team informed. Finally, leverage the powerful analytics dashboard to gain deep insights into your performance, identifying areas for improvement and celebrating successes. These habits will ensure you get the most out of Zen 2K26.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.